Launching a product on Amazon the right way can be the difference between a bestseller and a total flop, and I've seen both. So in this video, I'm breaking down step by step my exact product launch strategy that I use to get rank, sales, and build early momentum. Whether it's your first launch or you've done this before, this is the same strategy I use every time if I actually want a product to perform. Step 1, get reviews before you run PPC ads. First things first is I don't even run PPC ads until I get at least 10 to 15 reviews for my product. Why? Because running ads to a listing that has zero social proof is a waste. People click, but they don't convert, and you lose money and your data is skewed. How I get those reviews are friends and family, allegedly, the Amazon Vine program, email follow-ups, and a request a review tool from something like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout. The goal here is to build trust on your listing before you throw traffic at it. Step 2, build an optimized product listing that converts. This step should honestly be done before your product ever goes live. You need a keyword optimized title, high quality images that tell a full story of your product, compelling optimized bullet points that hit pain points and benefits, and a well-written description or A+ content if you're brand registered. And if you're not brand registered, I personally recommend getting it. Your product listing is your storefront. If it doesn't convert, then nothing else matters. Step 3, launch with controlled PPC ads. Once I've got my reviews up and my listing dialed in, that's when I start running PPC, but I don't go crazy up front. I start with one auto, one broad, one phrase, and one exact match campaign, and potentially a product targeting campaign. I'll usually start with a conservative budget of about $10 per campaign, and then I set my bids on the more conservative side because at this point, I'm just trying to test and collect data. And from there, I let the data guide me. Which keywords are converting, which ones are not. I'm not just chasing sales, I'm chasing ranking and profitable momentum. Real quick, if you're getting value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe because I'm on the journey to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, but back to the video. Step 4, push keyword ranking with a targeted strategy. The goal with PPC is to push rank, not just get random sales. So once I've collected that initial data, I shift focus. I pull converting keywords from my auto, broad, and phrase campaigns. I create exact match campaigns targeting those keywords and optimize keywords on campaigns I'm trying to push ranking for. That way, Amazon's algorithm sees that I'm relevant for those keywords and assuming my conversion is good, starts increasing my organic rank. Step 5, monitor, optimize, and stay patient. Most sellers get this far and then panic. They expect to blow up in a week, but launches take time. I make sure that I track my conversion rate, my click-through rate, my organic rank, ACOS, TACOS, and ad spend. If something's off, I make adjustments, like optimize my images, my product listing, push for more reviews, or optimize my keywords. Launching on Amazon isn't a single move. It's a process of data, feedback, and refinement. And here's a little bonus tip. Push external traffic. If you've got an audience on social media or an email list, send that traffic to your Amazon listing. External traffic or traffic that's brought over from off of Amazon is a huge ranking signal right now. It doesn't need to be a massive push. A few dozen sales from off of Amazon can boost you faster than PPC ads alone. So there you have it. My product launch strategy when I sell on Amazon. It's not about blasting ads and hoping for the best. It's about building trust, collecting real data, and scaling smart. Now, if you want a more in-depth guide on this strategy and to have me as your mentor along your Amazon FBA journey, be sure to check out the AMZ Masterclass mentorship program linked in the description of this video. It's so much more than just a course. It is a true mentorship program where you get my A through Z guide on how to sell on Amazon. You get direct access to me for proprietary questions. You have access to a one-on-one Zoom call with me, access to our private Facebook group with over 300 students all on the same journey as you, access to the AMZ Masterclass freight forwarding company, where on average students save 30 to 50% on shipping, access to weekly group coaching calls, and a listing creation service where you can get your product listing created by the same team that creates my product listings, and so much more. But if you've ever been interested in learning how to sell on Amazon, this program is for you. I truly consider it to be the Harvard of Amazon FBA private label education. So I hope to see you in the program soon. But on that note, don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe because I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. And as always, have a blessed day, ladies and gentlemen.